Kenyaran Gaskins, and today I'll be going over my research evaluating the effectiveness of the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission. The primary goal of my research is to evaluate how effective the CPSC is in protecting consumers from food contamination. I examine the regulatory strategies, analyze the challenges they face, and identify areas for improvement. My research assesses whether current policies align with modern food safety needs, such as arising from globalizing supply chains and overall the gaps in the purpose for actionable solutions. My research uncovers several important findings. The CPSC plays a critical role in monitoring food safety. Excuse me. It struggles with regulatory consistencies and enforces due to the fragmented nature of food safety overall in the U.S. Modern risks like stemming from globalization of supply chains are not effectively addressed. Also, consumer trust is undermined by the lack of transparency and communication about food safety standards. These findings suggest the need for a stronger coordination and a clearer messaging to protect public health. My research aligns with the builds of other works from other scholars. For example, Lawrence Gosling, in his article called Big Food, he mentions how aggressive the food marketing business is and influences consumers' behavior, often promoting unhealthy choices, while Ping Lu criticizes the inconsistencies of the food safety inspections in the U.S. and advocates for a standardized federal system. Shepard, Maxton, and Sojin often explore how consumers' attitudes towards organic food, noting that while consumers value health and environmental benefits, barriers like cost prevent many from buying organics. And my research ties all these perspectives together by emphasizing how economic realities and systematic gaps can shape consumers' decisions and public trust. I was able to contrast in my research these particular authors, Gosling and Lu. Gosling focuses on the dominance of the food marketing and shaping behaviors, while Lu points out the structural flaws in the inspection systems. And as for my rebuttal, that helps me contrasting between these. While the marketing and systematic gaps are important, we can't ignore the financial realities of facing consumers. Knowingly choosing the less healthier option, they're cheaper and accessible. How organic and safer food options, while ideal, often fail to compete due to the high costs. Raises a critical questions: how can we create policies to address the affordability while promoting public health? I was able to come to these conclusions. Stricter regulations on food marketing could mitigate the promotion of unhealthy foods, standardizing a federal inspection system, and policies could subsidize or tax incentives could make organic and safe food options more affordable, addressing economic barriers. Sorry, skip one. And for my conclusion, my research highlights the strengthening the CPSC's role in food safety. It's vital to reduce foodborne illnesses and protecting consumers. Addressing economic realities such as affordability and accessibility, is important to improving regulatory frame rates. Ultimately, policymakers, food industry, and consumers will be able to be necessary to align food safety policies with modern needs and ensure a safer future. Thank you.